In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted tasks in Microsoft Planner, offering a complete guide for 2025. We know how crucial it is to keep track of all your tasks and projects, so losing them due to accidental deletion can be quite unnerving. Unfortunately, Microsoft hasn't yet introduced a built-in feature to retrieve tasks that have been deleted, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through what you can do. First, let's get started by logging into your Microsoft 365 account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to Microsoft Planner. From here you'll have a clear view of all of your current plans and tasks. However, the moment you delete a task or a plan, it's immediately removed from your view, and there's no direct built-in method from Microsoft to retrieve it. It's indeed an inconvenience, but there's a workaround. If a task is deleted, you have only a brief window of time to click on the Undo button. This is a very short time frame, usually just a few seconds, so if you act quickly, you might be able to restore your task. Yet if you miss that opportunity, restoring a task directly in Microsoft Planner becomes impossible. So, what should you do next? Well, you have a couple of other options. One approach is quite straightforward, simply recreate the task from scratch. It's not ideal and can be a bit tedious, especially if the task had a lot of details, but it assures that you regain the task or plan's essence at least. Alternatively, consider using a third-party tool. There are several third-party software solutions available, one of which is called Fluent Pro. This tool, along with others, offers functionality to back up and restore your tasks and plans, providing a safety net in case of accidental deletions. Using third-party software can sometimes involve extra steps or costs, but if your tasks are vital, this could be a worthy investment. Lastly, always keep in mind the importance of backing up your tasks regularly. Before you consider deleting a task, ensure you have a backup. Have a habit of archiving your plans, and if you're using a third-party tool, regularly update your backups so you're never caught in a situation where you've lost crucial data without a way to recover it. There you have it, a complete walkthrough on dealing with deleted tasks in Microsoft Planner for 2025. It's unfortunate that the built-in options are currently limited, but with these steps, you can ensure that your workflow remains uninterrupted. Make sure to always stay proactive about task management and utilize the resources available to safeguard your work.